Hello viewers, bitsCrunch is at it again. They just launched another new product. This time is an AI price estimation bot. For those of you who might not be familiar with bitsCrunch is a blockchain technology company founded in 2020. They are fast leading the way in crypto data analysis and risk prediction as they offer tools in analyzing data and identifying fraudulent activities on NFT space. This price estimation bot is an AI product analytics tool that enables you to carry out basic data analysis on interested NFTs. So I'll be opening my Discord for this because it's available on their Discord server. By the way, the link to that Discord server has already been linked to the video. So once you are in, you head over to the price estimation bot, and to use this utility, you have to type in the backslash command, and you need you when you do that, you're gonna have options to input the commands. And for this prediction, you will need three basic information: the blockchain that is on, the contract address, and the token ID. Are the three things you're gonna need. So to get this, we could head over to NFT marketplaces. We could head over to OpenSea, OpenSea.io, and wait for it to load. And yep, here we go. Amazing images. And let's choose one. Let's choose one. Go down. Okay, Lil Porgies. Let's go with this. Now, let's choose. Okay, let's go with this particular one. Click, and then it will load. Now, once it opens, if you look at the top on the link itself, you see that the information you seek is there. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. This is the code address. We'll just copy it, copy, and then you go back to the Discord server, and then remember the app. So we'll put in one for Ethereum, then we'll paste the contract address, then we'll go back to OpenSea. Let's go back to OpenSea. Then we'll copy the remaining part of the link, which is the token ID. So copy and then come back here and then we paste. So once you click enter, you are going to get the information immediately. So here you go. You have the price prediction, you have the price prediction lower bound, price prediction upper bound, and what else would you certainly need? What else? I don't know what Bitcoin will launch next. So welcome, enjoy this new feature. Thank you very much.